Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power compatibility. Check PSU wattage and available 6/8-pin cables because insufficient power stalls the build. Once done, update the motherboard BIOS to support the new card. This prevents boot issues. Make sure to ground yourself with an anti-static strap and clear a flat workspace. Open the case, remove the old bracket if present, and line up the GPU with the PCIe X16 slot. Gently seat the card until the latch clicks and secure it with screws. You now connect power. Use the dedicated PCIe cables and avoid adapters unless necessary because unstable power causes crashes. Next, enter BIOS and verify the PCIe slot runs at the intended generation. Make adjustments if you need maximum bandwidth. Boot into the OS, uninstall old GPU drivers to prevent conflicts, then install the manufacturer's latest drivers and firmware. Make sure to restart the system when prompted. This finalizes driver integration and lets you confirm the display is stable and running at You finish by validating performance. Run a stress test and monitor temperatures and clock stability because early detection prevents damage. If temps are high, tweak the fan curve and check airflow. Lower power limits slightly to regain thermal headroom. Once satisfied, reinstall side panels and cable manage for airflow. If the system fails to post, power down, reseat the card and power cables. Try another PCIe slot or test with a known good PSU. These steps isolate connection, slot, or power failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.